Rank number 1 with Claude plus Hermes. 1 person, 6 websites, 122,000 Google impressions in 9 days. That is what ranking number 1 with Claude and Hermes looks like right now. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how the machine works. And the numbers are right there. 4,300 clicks, 9 days. Not from paid ads, not from a team of writers. From a system I call the Rank Machine, built inside an agent operating system with Claude and Hermes sharing one brain. Most people can barely keep one website going. They write a post, wait 3 months, get nothing, and quit. The Rank Machine flips that completely. You feed it a keyword on one end, rankings come out the other. 3 gears, 1 machine. Let me walk you through each one, because gear 3 is the one almost nobody gets right. And it's the one that actually gets you to page 1. Gear 1 is keywords, finding the ones you can actually win. Here's what most people do. They open Ahrefs or SEMrush, sort by search volume, and chase the biggest keyword they can find. Everyone does this. You write the post, you land on page 8, you give up. Every competitor is doing the exact same thing with the exact same tools, which means you're all fighting over the same terms and nobody wins. The keyword gear works differently. It connects your Google Search Console data directly to Hermes Agent, and Hermes has access to your Obsidian vault. All your notes, all your business context, every keyword you're already ranking for. So instead of asking what's popular, it asks the only question that actually matters. Given what your site is already ranking for, what's the fastest win right now? For the AI Profit Boardroom, for example, the agent can look at the keywords we're already ranking for. Terms around AI automation, AI agents, community for AI business owners, and say, here are 5 terms you're 1 page away from winning. Go for those. Not random generic keywords. Keywords your site already has authority for, that your competitors haven't locked up yet. You don't touch any of it technically. You type 1 line. The agent reads your vault, pulls your Search Console data, and hands you a priority list. That's gear 1. Inside the AI Profit Boardroom, we've built a 30-day roadmap specifically for getting this keyword gear set up. How to wire Hermes to your Google Search Console, how to structure your Obsidian vault so your agents actually understand your business, and how to run keyword discovery prompts that find the gaps your competitors are missing. We've got 5 coaching calls every week where we walk through this live, show you the exact prompts we use to find quick win keywords for sites like AIProfitBoardroom.com. And you can ask questions about your own setup in real time. Plus, there are 3,000 plus business owners in there already using this to rank their sites. If you want the Agent OS as a ready-to-install zip file, pre-configured, prompts loaded, everything set up, link in the comments and description, or go to AIProfitBoardroom.com. And if you want a free one-to-one SEO strategy session where we look at your actual website and show you exactly which keywords to go after, go to go.juliangoldie.com/strategy-session. Link in the comments and description. Gear 2 is content, turning 1 keyword into a blog post and a video at the same time. Once the keyword gear gives you a winner, the content gear takes over. And this is where most people slow down, because writing a blog post already feels like work. Making a matching video on top of that feels impossible. So they just write the post, never make the video, and miss half the ranking power. The content crew handles both. Inside the agent operating system, you have a board. Think of it like a Kanban board, but every card is an AI agent. You've got a writer agent, a video agent, an editor agent, and a judge agent that checks the output for quality. You hand the crew 1 keyword. They hand you back a finished blog post and a video script, and the writer is already working while the video agent builds. Here's the part that separates this from generic AI content. The agents aren't just writing. They're pulling from your Obsidian memory galaxy, your real notes, your real stories, your real numbers, your angle on the topic. So when the writer produces a post about AI automation for business owners, it's pulling from everything we know about the AI Profit Boardroom. The 3,000 plus members, the weekly coaching calls, the results people are getting. It knows who the site is for. It knows what makes the community different. The content comes out specific, not generic, because the agent has context no random AI tool has. And once the content is ready, it can deploy directly to your website, across multiple sites at once if you want. 1 keyword goes in, unique content goes out to every platform you've connected. You watch it move across the board. Draft, built, shipped. That's the unfair part. Most people are the bottleneck between a good idea and a published page. With the content crew, you're not. The agents write, edit, and ship while you move on to the next keyword. Now, there's something worth addressing here. A lot of people say AI content is generic, and generic AI content definitely sounds the same. You can spot it immediately. But the agents in this system don't write generic because they're not pulling from a blank prompt. They're pulling from your Obsidian memory galaxy, your business, your voice, your numbers. That's what makes every post land differently. Pair that with a matching video, which almost nobody bothers to make, and you have a combination that's producing 122,000 impressions in 9 days across 6 sites. Gear 3 is backlinks. And this is the gear most people either skip or get completely wrong. Most outreach fails because it's lazy. You find a contact, send a template email, get no response, send 9 more, get no responses, and give up. Julian literally wrote a book on link building. He knows how outreach actually works, and the answer is personalization at scale, which sounds like a contradiction until you have an agent doing it. The backlink agent inside the agent operating system is a Hermes outreach agent. You give it a target list of sites you want links from. It finds the right contact. It writes an email that's personal, pulled from your notes so it knows your story, your authority. Why to link to your page actually helps the person you're emailing. It sends from your inbox, it follows up, it tracks the plan. You can see the plan it builds right there in the dashboard. Check it, approve it, and let it run. Here's why this works when manual outreach doesn't. Personalization requires context. A template email from someone you've never heard of gets deleted. An email that shows the sender actually understands your site, your audience, and why this specific link would add value, that gets a response. The backlink agent has the same notes the keyword gear and the content crew used. It knows who you are. Every email reflects that. And the emails go out at real scale, not 10 emails you gave up on. Sustained, personalized outreach across the target list, with follow-ups automated. Link building like an agency, without the agency. Now here's the part that ties all 3 gears together, and why this works as a system instead of just 3 separate tools. All 3 gears run on one shared brain. The keyword agent, the content crew, and the backlink agent all read the same Obsidian notes. Your business written down once, plugged into the agent operating system. That's it. So a keyword becomes content. The content becomes a backlink target. Each gear feeds the next. The work compounds. You make the calls. The agents do the grinding. That's how 6 websites stay active with 1 person at the wheel. That's how you pull 122,000 impressions in 9 days. Google is still there. Perplexity is there. The AI answer boxes, they all pull from pages that rank. The search surface has expanded. The opportunity is bigger, not smaller. People say you need an agency for SEO at this level, but a well-built agent system outperforms a team because it doesn't sleep, doesn't forget your business, and doesn't slow down between tasks. One person with a well-configured machine beats a whole team with manual processes every time. And if you want the whole machine ready to go, keyword agent, content crew, backlink agent, all in one dashboard, all sharing one memory, that's exactly what we've built inside the AI Profit Boardroom. You get the full Agent OS as a zip file, pre-configured, ready to install. Every profile, every prompt, every config file is already set up for SEO. The keyword workflow is in there, the content crew is in there, the Obsidian memory setup, the outreach agent, all of it. You plug in your Google Search Console, connect your vault, and the machine starts running. On top of that, you get 5 coaching calls every week where we go deep on getting this rank machine producing results for your specific sites. We'll look at your keyword gaps, your content crew setup, your outreach agent configuration, live, with you, in real time. Plus, daily tutorials showing exactly how to use Claude and Hermes together for SEO as new features drop. A prompt library built around every part of this workflow. And 3,000 plus business owners who are running this system right now. A lot of them doing exactly this kind of AI SEO across their sites. So you can connect, ask questions, and learn from people who are deep in it. The Agent OS zip file alone is worth the join. You get it pre-built, so you skip the setup entirely and go straight to running the machine. Link in the comments and description, or go to AIProfitBoardroom.com. And one more thing. If you want a free one-to-one SEO strategy session with our team, where we actually look at your website, pull your keyword data, and show you exactly which terms you should be going after right now based on what's working across our 6 sites, that's available too. We'll walk you through the gaps in your current SEO, show you how the rank machine would apply to your specific site, and answer any questions you have about link building, content, or keyword strategy one-to-one. You get a custom game plan tailored to your site, not generic advice. Go to go.juliangoldie.com/strategy-session, link in the comments and description, and book your free session. That's the rank machine. 1 keyword in, content out, links built, rankings up, 1 shared brain running all 3 gears. 1 person at the wheel, 6 sites ranking at the same time. And now you know exactly how it works.